Hi there, and welcome to this quick Beaver Builder tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add and customize a button module on your page. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress website. Then head to the page where you'd like to place the button. Once there, click Beaver Builder in the top admin bar to enter editing mode. When the editor loads, click the plus icon in the top right corner to open the content panel. Make sure the Modules tab is selected. You'll find the button module under the standard module group in the basic section, or you can search for it using the search icon. Once you've found it, click and drag the button module into the section of the page where you want it to appear. As soon as you place it, the settings panel will open. In the General tab, you can set the button text. That's what people will see on the button itself. By default, click here is entered, but you may want Learn More or Buy Now. Next, you can select an icon, click the link. Beaver Builder has access to Font Awesome and WordPress Dashicon libraries. Click on an icon to select it, and this will close the window. If you've changed your mind, you can also click the Cancel button or remove the icon with the Replace/Remove links that are now displayed. Next, you can set the icon position, choosing whether to display either before or after your text. Next, you have the click action. By default, this is set to link, but you also have the option Lightbox. If you'd like to learn more about the Lightbox function, drop a comment below and we'll create a dedicated video. Next, set the link. This is where the button will take users when they click. Press Select to choose an existing page from your site or paste a URL in the field provided. If linking to an existing page, you can ignore the checkbox options below, but if you are linking to an external site or file, it is considered good practice to open your link in a new window. Okay, so next, under the Style tab, you'll find Design options. You can adjust the width, alignment, padding, text color, font style, button color, and border settings. For example, you might want to center the button, make it full width, or choose a color that matches your branding. We cover this section in more detail in another video, so consider watching that one next. This section appears in most modules, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section. Now head to the Advanced tab for even more control. Here you can set margins, visibility rules, animations, and more. But we've covered the Advanced tab in another video, so go check that out for a more in-depth look at what these settings do. Okay, great. So once you're happy with how the button looks and works, click Save. Then click Done in the top right corner, and don't forget to click Publish to save your changes. And that's it. You've now added a fully customizable button to your page using Beaver Builder. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We read every comment and try to answer any questions you have. If you found this video useful, give us a like and consider subscribing. It really helps grow the channel. Please also consider sharing, as we really want to help the Beaver Builder community. For more hints and tips, visit learnbeaverbuilder.com, and we'll see you in the next one.